Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this shit. Yo. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie first. You know, see. Me I do that video, but me not sure me I publish it. So if I'm lucky enough to see it, you just know say, I'm not lucky, you know, see. But welcome all viewers and subscribers. If you like the content, subscribe, viewers, and become part of the club. You know, see, press the notification bells and get notification when we got new uploads. See, so and I observed to this a while back, and I thought, boy, you need a Momo from Greenwich Farm where I flick around the place, and I mess with all sort of people, and I cause them family them for dead off and things like that all over the place. You know, see, you've been locked in a prison, so you may not be one of the lucky ones who not in any immediate danger, but you obviously not care for nobody else. Because from you can hear from the popular voice note, the recent popular voice note where I wish for play on my channel, where him and Dagpa argue about prison relations and things like that. First me ever hear Dagpa voice in a public still. So you know, never did I expect that. I tell a lie, but they don't do it. So them things they go. You see, so I wanna say start Momo and Dagpa behave a little way. You see, yo, Instagram Badnis and them Facebook page. Wife gunshot could have visited all Warieka Twitter page. That's in my face, in my space, in my base. Cut and paste and this place. They want us to cheap Blackberries, cock pan TikTok. Stop. Should have saved these reviews, but we were all amused for the limbless with the shoes, a post by YouTube. A user all using, a use he got used. How could he refuse? You see, that was a little lyrics from me, alright. But last year, you know, passed on to my little brother and think, but you don't like it. He was saying, I don't know what he was saying. But I that me say I go on, I that me say I play out right to some Rasta. You see it? You see it? You see a social media badness. Straight Rasta. Eh? I be an Instagram boy, a bad boy, they be a Facebook rager. And things like that. Yo, a lot of them things to me, man, when I'm on the legs again, Rasta, we can't take no police chase and things like that, right? You know, I have to go all the amount of clip I have to go have to survive one of them things, right? You know, Rasta. You know, because you know, in a sense, you run and you have to hold it off for a significant amount of time till cover come on, until guy get tired and run themselves. You see it? You see it? All them together and I Rasta. Young man like one of them be a little boy argument to not talk to. Two on one while I'm beating a be a prisoner Jamaica turn. One guest house stupidity these days, cause them guys here where exist to find themselves. Some guy where the crime nowadays to find themselves and go to prison get prominent and a big name in Jamaica, so them a gunman. Them are just care starter, you know. Dagpa, you are one piece of bumblehole, because you should even in a badness. You are a student and you still can't go further your progress. After you suffer for 10 years, you still come back out here and chasing with blood, with man. Pankana like you are one dirty girl. You know, see it and I talk about for shoes and clothes. What kind of panty chasing them down a quarrel over? I want to know dirty boy. What kind of example them down a set for people, Rasta? Dirty mama will love prison. They are prison attack. Like say, prison is a bed of rose. In their prison, I stab up much man and I keep it. Yeah, informer, you know. I choose not justice to their Jamaica, you know. I just show some black people are the easiest people to kill and get away with enough fool. Make you cannot do all and I chat certain things. I call all name of people who no step up on them way there, you know. What if tomorrow all America take over? Running at Jamaica, overthrow Jamaica and things like that and start administer the law and told them administer it now. United States with all of them blood clean evidence where the whole on compile and put on a weight upon authority to come use. What do you think? The land of the authority use them sort of information is inactive, them inactive, and them thrive off of the chaos where we know if you will. Only little dirty simpleton. You know say it. Why don't you using the energy of some young youth who's supposed to use them? Dog pa, where you did there you will learn. And then learn you did down there learn. Look like you did just go down there, you know, and just bully your way up on campus and then they walk around from class to class and other people like what's your name there? Tavares think say, yo, enroll. I must something like that, Rasta. This is beyond comprehension, Rasta. You see it? Even your argument, them where I thought them not sound too clear and them not sound like somebody where they there at high school. You see it? Them criminally are informed on themselves and them if them willing to inform on themselves, if them are informed on themselves voluntarily, Rasta, want to the man them we align with them, want to the man them we are involved themselves with them criminally. What kind of security them money have for themselves? What kind of desperation them money in? So that them can all do crime and associate with them sort of informer criminal, yeah. The man them love prison Rasta. Cause mama sound like him in a bed of rose. Him not sound like him have no issues. You know see it? Him sound like him could have all a girl that roll him over at night time, Rasta. You know see it? We don't understand the mentality. I mean, I know how some man scheme up their mentality and think them acceptable. Where the level of militancy there, where the program, where the cars, where the principle them there. It's a braggadocious and a bossy boy thing. You know see it? It coming like a joke thing. No wonder the nation is in such a deprived state because the old people them and the working class don't have nobody to stand up for them and develop nothing for them. Because all of them boys are plant. Them boys are plant in a badness. You know see it? So them now are the more improved, new and improved dance of the day. Where them just take for them bribe and cast all sort of chaos and keep the people them in a fear. So that's the people them can't focus on holding government to accountability. All them ask government for is solve the crime where them youth are create. You know see that to not do Rasta. Well, we know what we do, because we know our plant. We know a pay and we get paid for do them, for create them sort of thing. Them thing no normal. Them thing has never a groundbreaking badness. Them a Rasta. You know see it? Them thing are not acceptable. Fool. I want to come from them thing here. I send voice note across the board. Watch out now. You don't know so them voice note here go public. Or not even a send voice note. Oh, bad man for a send voice. Man, them a wear one of the shoes and pants and over size. What tell lie cause we don't wear one. Yo, them I never see them type of argue. Them disgraceful girl chasing dirty chat here. Barrow clothes, business wear God dance and which girl you know. The DJ them soon start dance all DJs soon start tell man put up your hand if you have your friend short Rasta. You see it, right? And if dog pa in a dance, a DJ if you just say, yo dog pa, Kick out your foot if you not wear a boy shoes. And what kind of dirtiness, what kind of low blow this? What kind of low blow this to the whole thing? And what are them two man? How you see for yourself represent anything other than you own a need for attention? It's mere attention seeking and go on with this thing here in a Rasta. That's why I try to stop talking about some boy who call himself gangster and do some things. Because it's like say, it no matter which part the publicity come from with them guy, yeah. I just don't need that them have these days. Who you know hear with a blogger there say about me, he must say, me gear. Me no business with a liar or true. Him call me name. It come like a that them guy are there on Rasta. You see, them guy just want just want a limelight. You see, it is all a dream. Them guy just want to come in at the limelight, Rasta. You see, I can't put it no other way. You see, what kind of boy business that? What kind of bad man thing that? You know, I shouldn't be surprised, because when I wear slippers and pants down on pants waist and down on backside and gun in on underpants and them wear there and like you plan for run from police, you just left it dead. I wonder if the suffering so tough that the item rather die than struggle it out, fight it out, or fight for change. The item rather just dead left it. The item give up Rasta. You see, rather the item use them life, fight for a you can use on a life and enforce a positive change or make things better, You know, say I'm a prime minister, a politician, a purposely a wall in the position one in a Rasta. I know. I tell you no. You see it. And the position one in is benefiting the politician them with the chaos and the war and them thing there. Them use it as a distraction for sure the rest. I tell you no all the while I say, you think this thing is not profitable. You alone not get nothing out of it. You have to buy bullet out of phone pocket. And when you fire them, politicians make 10 times what you spend for buy them bullet there. So it's a very profitable business. You see it. And we can further elaborate if you think it's joke I make Rasta. You see it. You know how much time politicians give contract to the wrong man purposely so that the man can do the wrong thing with that money there. Buy gun and shot. Him know, you hear them come out and talk. Politics facilitate the most crime and violence in Jamaica. Me I tell you, And you hear them come out and talk about it and talk against it every day and act like it's an epidemic or whatever. It's a takeover. You see it. Them not do nothing for stop it, Rasta. Them not do nothing for prevent it. You see it. It's not part of them agenda, Rasta. You see it. So them will willingly put boy like them here, dog paw and murmur them and mind them and give them little chinklets and things like that to maintain attitude and negative mentality like them here amongst the youth them and the people them. So that's the youth them now no focus and no know what to go, no know what to do because this are the confusion. You see it? Man a chase over brief and underpants and them thing there in a prison. You see it? There shouldn't be a conversation. That shouldn't be a voice note conversation. That shouldn't be a conversation. That's a fantasy. That's a lunacy, Rasta. Them things, they are things where DJ about out of them own sick, twisted imagination. You see it? You're supposed to have an ex-prisoner and a current prisoner. I have public conversation, a public admission of switching clothes, exchanging garments and things like that, whether it be true or not. This shouldn't be a conversation. It's a disgrace from both parties. The man will lend the clothes and the man will wear the clothes at 200 boy. Man, get something new from Jamaica, from road and give it to a man who is less fortunate than himself. Man where they are prison long time and get forgotten and things like that. You know, see it. When you get your stash, you get 3 underpants, 3 marina, you give a virgin one of each and things like that. You can give 2 man something, you can give 1 man a underpants and you give 1 man a marina. You know, see it. And that's acceptable. But you know, share your things where you already are aware and are sweating with no man. And no man, no matter how no man underpants tear off and him not have nothing, he's not supposed to accept that. Either unless him a boy alone. Do them thing the Rasta, big man not do them thing they are prison. You know, see it. So this is not a conversation for 2 prisoners have. A 2 boy have them type of, me I tell you no. Yes, them prison, them conversation happen, but between boy. It's not amongst big man. I'm say big man, I mean age bracket, you know. You see it? I mean morally fortified people, strong people, where go inside of the institution and maintain a certain principle, discipline, and characteristics. You see, you have some man who go in and go diminish and fish out, fry out. You see that them you call boy. A fish argument them there. A sprat argument that dog pa and momo and what me I tell you no. Some prison diminish. You come like I know prison them there look like some jail argument, some boy. You thought them think they're GP man. You know see it, man. You know do that, man. You know see it. You know do that. You pray for man come back out prison and all them things. Them think they are serious consequences. Yo, back in my day, chatting on my face, in my space, Cotton place, and this place, they want to chip like a breeze cock pan TikTok. Stop. Yeah. Yeah, mad. Look at that Instagram badness and Facebook rage Rasta. Some boy I come. You know, see, me can publish some voice note on this bad man page. You know, see, shit. Now that we don't know, man, a dirty boy, this that talk about Rasta. You see, the man can come group up man with them sort of mentality there. You see, all police and water get licky when police and water entertain them sort of mentality. I give them type of people breathing space for. And then again, me there I talk about some people, me don't know which section or which part or how some boy I live. You know, see, because like I say, like everything I get liberal and acceptable down there, you know, so you can't have to, you know, see, certain things good are there, certain things that wasn't acceptable might become the norm these days. You know, see, because me never see nothing like this yet, Rasta. You know, see, the man they bring it to the public. Two big man, 2 man were supposed to be big man. 2 boy were supposed to be big man. You know, see, come in the public a chase about clothes and a talk about mix up argument, me tell you this and me. If you hear the trivial, petty thing them with the man, them a plan for kill one another over, me I say, what kind of grade level? What kind of not grade bad man them a Rasta? And then I come tell me boy, you graduate, you did the university. If you have the potential for working at university or be accepted in a university Rasta, you have the potential to become a leader in a Jamaica. You don't really take much more than that. You see it. You could have do a better, a more articulate job than, you could have articulated yourself better than even Portia Simpson. You see it. So, you know, we don't understand where this come from. Oh, you did there, you dog pa, and I behave like this in a public and now with, you know, somebody who you classify to be a, you know, a man, a fish, and all them type of thing there. Yo, the whole out a fish fry there, that fish fry that. You know, see, a fish fry on have, you know, go ahead with yourself. You know, see, they are prison in a cell. Yeah, you learn, you there prison. Momo, you there prison talk about you learn man, and I treat him like girl. I wish man admit to them treat man like girl in a jail though, Rasta. Eh? Oh, you for come and think come and admit say you treat dog pa like him a girl in a prison. Oh, you fear admit them type. Yo, one is a disgrace in Rasta. No class. No class. You don't see it. You don't see it. I'm saying that everybody with a gun a bad man. You don't see it. And that every man with gun a bad man. Gun just free and willingly now and open for every and anybody. You don't see it. And the only reason why someone who can go on in this effort because the easiest person on the planet to kill and get away with it is a black person. The easiest human where any human can kill, including a black human, and get away with it is a black person, Rasta. You see it? And them reason you cannot go around and administrate some little way where and I get away with it too. You know, see it and still I call yourself man. Oh no, boy. Boy a jail and boy a road. You see it. For no batty up for the biggest action any day. You see it. And we not question that. You see it kind of petty. We don't stand for nothing. So no fall for anything. Both of them entertain a little dibby girl conversation and mix up with girl barra girl close to where God dance and all them. You know, turn a dirty boy. And it's a deprivation of just make the whole thing look like it's hopeless. Right and now poor people are struggling and are suffer. And you hear what I quarrel about. The whole country locked down and are dead for hungry for 2 years. And you hear what I quarrel about. And say una Dan and una leader. Dan and leader. Uno, people me are telling us saying it's them so-called Daniel, and them are hold back on the community. And them are maintain the agenda so that the government can just do what they want and do so with impunity. You know see it? Them Dan, them guys are with the round we say them are Dan and them type of thing. I tell you no. You know see it? Don't know. Bless. Rastafari.